start to work with EMU maybe 5 years ago now. The first project was, the name was NIF. It was an armchair on the chair project, very strong design. It was a knit structure. We developed a special knit, and with tension, the comfort is the tension, the relation between tension and structure, with a very nice, elegant aluminum structure in tubes. And I start to think about to introduce on this market for EMU like a very simple sofa, but very transversal and very flexible. The concept of Tami is just a platform. We can imagine to use like just a wood platform, and you put some cushion. It's enough. But it's EMU. The idea is to propose very elegant product with nice details to understand the value of the product. And we developed just a simple things like a frame. On this frame, we put in the end a new generation of recycling wood. It's not thick, it's a special synthetic but ecologic recycling wood. Interesting frame because it's not only tubes. I developed some different aluminum injection part for the corner. We developed an extrusion, very simple, and we clip together, we fix together like this. And after that, you can imagine you do the same with the legs. And this is a standard pieces. With that, we can develop all the system. And after that, we fix inside, we put inside like a different part of panel in synthetic wood. But on this panel, I develop a different plug, and we can organize. The reason why this plug is flexible, because you can reorganize the seating to put armrest, no armrest, table. It's like a platform, but flexible platform. It's very timeless, and the idea is to play more and more with the cushion, with the color of fabric. It's like a big lounge. It's like a big sofa, very comfortable, and with different position of body. You can sit, you can sleep, you can do a lot of things on this platform. It's just to share a platform, and your client, people can use that for different things. EMU is an interesting company because they have the big capacity to develop products. They have a very strong team for the engineerization is the key for me, because without that you can design products, because sometimes you can see a lot of company. You have a very strong and good idea, but in the end they don't have the capacity to develop and to understand sometimes. But EMU are very strong about that because they are producer. They develop and they produce. It's a big difference on this market, because sometimes some company don't produce, and the big difference is the production. Because when you produce, you understand everything and you have the capacity to develop. And after that, we work very well together. Well, it's a very cool company, big market. Everybody knows EMU. You can see there's very interesting thing for me is you can see the product in the street. If you work in USA or different place in the world, you can see some restaurant outside and the EMU product. They have EMU product, and it's very interesting thing for me because EMU have a real market, and when you develop product, you can sell, because in the end, the idea is to try to sell the product and to make business for everybody and to make people enjoy.